Yes, my people, welcome back. That M4 sounds amazing, you lot. Yes, my people, welcome back to another YouTube channel. You lot are not gonna see my face today, because why? I'm just gonna be recording POV. So you lot, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, and I appreciate the love, all of that. It's your boy, that guy, and let's get right into this video. Hopefully you enjoy it though, innit? Because I've not really done anything like this in a while, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. This is a POV feed. Let's just enjoy the car, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got. Jeez, hey, you know what I'm like, oh, play smoker, you know what I'm saying? Yes, my people, so you lot gonna see me send this car on the B roads. Right now I'm currently on my way to Scenic Pass. That's literally Big Dick Street. So I'm with a couple guys. Obviously they're behind me, about like 10 or 4 cars. I got an M4, I got a GTI, I've got 3 GTIs, I've got a Honda Type R. We got the whole lot of it, you know what I'm saying? So you lot are about to get lit. Stay tuned and let me know if you enjoy videos like this. Your boy, that guy, enjoy the video. Boom. Alright, cool. So guys, back with the POV. Let's get some petrol in the car. Obviously, currently right now, we're in Scenic Pass, innit? So I'm contemplating whether I want the 97s or I want the 95. The 95 don't really work for me, so 97 it is, innit? It's gonna pull like £20 worth. Maybe 30. It's Ukraine and Russia war ain't it for me, you know, all my days. Obviously we've got all the cars right there. Got a GTI, we've got a BMW, we've got a Honda, we've got a M4, we've got a S3, we've got RS3, we've got everything. Oh shit, £30. Yeah, it's lit, man. You lot stay tuned, man. POV, loading, you know what I'm saying? See, man's gonna time it 30. Watch me, you don't know about Techers, man. Techers, fam. I've been doing this for years, fam. 10 years, 20 years. So right now I've got an M4, looking lit. Looking lit still. Hey, say heat, what are you saying? What are you running on this? 590?
About 590 brake.
What, stage 1, stage 2?
Stage 2.
Mad. So this lot watching, innit, what, they could just fully is that your thing then, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, Mission for say he is my guy, you know, 590 M4. I reckon it's one of the fastest M4 in Midlands, you reckon?
I wish. There's a few guys out there that are a bit quicker.
They come stock for 100, no?
Stock brake horsepower is about 424.
424, yeah.
Compact, you're probably looking at about 434.
Sick,
there's a lot of people out there that
what are you saying? Do you send it sideways there? No, just straight road?
Sometimes, not all the time.
Yeah.
Tires are fucking expensive.
I hear it still, man. I hear it, man. But you got to tell me, what have I got to do to all the M4s all, man? Fuck it all, mate. Tell me, what have I got to do? I want to move. I mean, is that red? What color is this? Brown? You see, I want my car to have whatever color it is. Nah, for real, man. Because you're comfortable. You got the carbon fiber interior. You got a nice spec on it. You know what I'm saying? Oh. All right. You had that done, didn't you?
Yeah, I had that done.
Sick. You lot. That M4 sounds amazing. That M4 sounds amazing, you lot. Damn. That M4 sounds amazing. Wow. foot sounds amazing and it's quick. He wasn't lying when they said it's 590. He wasn't lying. Yo, that shit is quick, man. It's quick. Respect it, man. So, got the rest. Obviously, we've got the rest of the tracks. LC lot behind us right now. I'm saying. Yes, my people, obviously we're on the route to Peak District now. So we're on the B roads. Catching up to the rest of the guys. And we'll go and get lit, you know what I'm saying? Scenery, you know. Look at the scenes, man. We're in the mountains, baby.